Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money to your Chime account. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Chime mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account first. Now once you have successfully logged in and once you are on the home page of Chime mobile app, you are going to see a bunch of different options in the bottom. Now among these options, you will have to tap on Move Money tab in the bottom. Afterwards, you will be landed on this Move Money page where you are going to see a bunch of different options that you can use to transfer your money to your Chime account. For this video, the most convenient way is a deposit cash option. So you simply need to tap on deposit cash and then you will be landed on the next page where you will be asked to enter the amount that you want to deposit. So you just have to enter the amount and then press next. After that, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to transfer your money, and once you do this, you will be shown this type of page which will show you that you have successfully sent this amount of money. So over here you just have to press got it in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily transfer your money to your Chime account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.